Emily, a young girl in a quiet suburban neighborhood, discovered an abandoned garden patch behind her house. The neglected soil and weeds didn't deter her. Instead, she saw potential. Armed with an old packet of seeds, she began working on the garden every day after school. Emily's dedication soon bore fruit as green shoots emerged, transforming into vibrant flowers and sturdy vegetables. One afternoon, Emily noticed Mr. Johnson, an elderly neighbor, watching her garden from his porch. His warm smile encouraged Emily to invite him over. As he admired her efforts, he shared that he had once been an avid gardener himself. This sparked an immediate connection between them. From that day on, Mr. Johnson visited regularly, sharing stories and gardening wisdom from his past. Together they planted seeds, built trellises, and tended to the growing plants. Emily learned valuable gardening skills and the importance of patience and care. The garden thrived through the seasons, from the colorful blooms of spring to the rich harvests of summer and the golden hues of autumn. Even in winter, Emily and Mr. Johnson planned for the next planting season. Their friendship deepened with each passing season. The garden became a symbol of their bond, reflecting the love and effort they both invested. Emily realized that nurturing a garden was much like nurturing a friendship. Both required time, attention, and a lot of love. Years later, the flourishing garden stood as a testament to their shared journey and growing friendship.